Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are going to be playing with Chantecaille's Cheetah collection. I have been a wee bit excited about this launch because this is right up my alley. It is a gorgeous neutral eye palette as well as 3 gorgeous complementary shades in the lip veils. So this is what the eye palette looks like, the perfect everyday eye. And the collection also comes with 3 complementary lip veil shades. Seriously, I'm having a hard time picking out which shade is my favorite in the lip veils, but I wanted to go ahead and share this collection with you today. And this collection is supporting the Cheetah Conservation Fund, which is pioneering the rescue and rehabilitation of cheetah cubs in Africa. So I always say this, but one of the reasons I love Chantecaille so much is it is a gorgeous luxury brand, but it does give back. It's kind of like the feel-good makeup, so I can feel good about my little luxury purchases, that a little bit is going back to a good cause, and the products inside are amazing, so it's a win-win. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look using the Cheetah collection, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I am so excited to play with the Cheetah collection. This collection is right up my alley. I love a good neutral eye palette, and they have some beautiful lippies. So real quick, I am going to use my Chantecaille lip potion right here. Prep my lips. I'm going to just quickly put on a base before we play with the eye palette. Okay, pulled my hair back really quick. I'm going to be using the Chantecaille, the Ultra Sun Protection Sunscreen SPF 45. Shaking this up really well. I've completely fallen in love with this primer slash SPF, and what I like to do is do 2 fingerfuls of this. It's kind of watery here. And then you just simply massage that into the skin, and it truly does give you the most beautiful little primer and nice sunscreen, an SPF of 45. So I'm definitely loving that. And then I'm going to come in with my Chantecaille Future Skin cushion, and I am obsessed with this cushion. I'm kind of obsessed with cushions right now, and I have just been loving using the cushion in the shade Vanilla. So I am going to buff this on. I tend to like to buff this on with my Heavenly Complexion brush versus the puff, but that's just me. But this is just going to perfect my skin, even it out, and I just find that it just, again, wears so beautifully throughout the day, gives me nice coverage, and it's a teeny bit like less dewy than Future Skin in the pot. I find this to be a little bit more velvety, and it is quick and easy makeup as well, so that's always a plus. And I'm coming in with my Camouflage Stylo right here. We're going to put some of that right in those dark hollows here. I love this concealer. blend that in. Okay, nice little base here, and then I am using my Sunstone. This is the Real Bronze. I absolutely love this bronzer. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Added in a little luminous bronze to the skin. Just makes me so happy. And then I'm a little bit obsessed with the Sunstone blush. This one is in Energy, and it just gives your skin such a little lovely kind of flush, a little lift in the skin. I'm just obsessed with these products. I just feel like they give your skin such a pretty luminous glow, but it looks super natural, just what we want. And I'm just gonna give myself a little flush here. Okay, now that we've got a little base going on, now we're gonna have fun playing with the beautiful Cheetah collection from Chantecaille. And this collection is all about protecting the cheetah cubs. Chantecaille is proud to support the Cheetah Conservation Fund, and their work is pioneering the rescue and rehabilitation of cheetah cubs in Africa. With each purchase, the funds raised from the sales of the Chantecaille's Cheetah collection will support the CCF and their cheetah rescue and conservation in Somaliland, where they have helped over 150 cheetah cubs since 2018. So, of course, I love the fact that this is the feel-good makeup. It's luxury makeup that I can feel good about buying because it's giving back. And when I saw this collection, I was like, this is right up my alley. I absolutely love a neutral eye palette, and this is just absolutely stunning. So within the Cheetah Eye Trio, it includes silky, soft, earthy eyeshadows in pearl and matte finishes. So within this trio, you have a beautiful creamy matte vanilla shade, which is going to be the perfect base shade. Right next to it, you have this gorgeous matte dough brown. I swear it's like the perfect crease shade ever. And then you've got this pearly almond, which is going to have a creamy iridescent finish. It is truly just like the perfect eye palette for any of us who love neutral eye palettes. You are going to love this. So again, here's that vanilla shade, the perfect matte dough, and then this really pretty, I'm in love with this little almond kind of iridescent shade. So it creates like the perfect everyday eye. You cannot go wrong with it. Basically, this is a dream palette, and I noticed that they went back to sort of the bigger 3-pan versus the quad. Like the giraffe was a beautiful eye quad, but it was 4 shades, but they were kind of tiny, and I don't know if they heard feedback that people prefer kind of more traditional size pans, but maybe they have. But we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put this on my eye. I'm going to start with this creamy vanilla shade right here. It's a matte shade. I'm using the Chantecaille Eye Definer brush right here, kind of just the basic eye brush, and it comes with a really nice mirror here. So I am going to place that vanilla shade all over my eye. Then I'm coming into the dough brown shade that I just fell in love with. This is like your everyday, just perfect crease color. And using the same little brush here, the beauty of this is that it's not an overcomplicated eye look. And then I'm just going to come in here and windshield wipe right in that crease. I like to go just slightly above because I have hooded eyes. So if I open up my eyes here and just go right above that crease, kind of open up my eyes just a little bit. And I have been playing with this collection for a few days now, and I literally have been wearing this daily. That's how much I love it. Kind of, again, this is like my perfect palette. It's just perfection in my eyes. So soft little dough brown. And if you're somebody who just loves a matte eye, you literally could just stick with these two shades. It could make the perfect eye look. I would probably fill that in a little bit more on my mobile lid, but I'm gonna come in with this beautiful kind of pearlescent almond shade. And what I love about this, it is definitely not too shimmery or shiny. If you have more mature eyes like myself, it's just going to give you like a little luminosity on the eyes. It's just truly so stunning. I love it. And I am using the Chantecaille. This is the eye blend brush, so it's a little bit more flat edged here. I'm just going to come in here and place that shade right on my mobile lid. It's such a beautiful wash of luminosity. I love it. Then with the same kind of flat brush here, I'm coming back into the little dough brown here, and I'm just going to run a little bit of that shade just underneath my lash line here. And this is what I have created so far. Easy, easy, everyday eye look. I'm in love, love, love with this Cheetah palette. And then for eyeliner, I like using my favorite. This is Jasper. This one is just a really pretty kind of bronzy color, just like this, but you could totally use the shade like Earth if you want to go a little bit deeper with a brown color. That would look fabulous. I tend to just like this softer Jasper brown. It just sort of just a little softer, but again, if I wanted a little more impact, I might use Slate or Earth. But today I'm just going to come in and I'm going to tight line with my Jasper. And then I'm just sort of softly blending that Jasper eyeliner. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go clean up my brows. I'm going to pop on my Chantecaille Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara, and then we will play with the 3 different lip shades. Okay, here is what I have created so far. Have my eyeballs on. I am a wee bit obsessed with that palette, but again, I'm somebody who just loves neutral palettes. Can't get enough of them, but this one has just kind of risen to the top. I literally have been wearing it non-stop since I received it. And then this collection comes with 3 different lip veils. And the lip veil formula is absolutely fabulous. It's a little bit more of a hybrid lipstick versus the lip cheeks that are going to be super glossy. These are going to be super hydrating, but they're going to have a little longer lasting color on the lips, and I'm obsessed with all three colors. So literally this collection is sort of just like screaming my name because I love the lip colors, I love the eye palette, but these three lip shades were designed to kind of be complementary with the Cheetah palette. And what we have over here, this first color is Desert Lily, and this is going to be an earthy pink nude, so gorgeous. Then we have Wilde Senna, which is a peachy nude, and then we have Acacia, which is a soft cinnamon. And honestly, these are just the perfect, very nice kind of nude colors. There's going to be one of these for everyone, I feel like. I personally love all three colors, and I'm going to give you a lip swatch of each. I'm going to start out with Desert Lily here, and this is an earthy pink nude. And this is the shade Desert Lily. Next is Wilde Senna, which is a perfect peachy nude. And this is the shade Wilde Senna. And then last but not least, we have a soft cinnamon color. And this is the shade Acacia. And I'm having a hard time picking out my favorite lip veil because I honestly love all three of these colors. I love this like pinky nude. I've been more into peachy nudes lately, so I'm really loving this Wilde Senna. And then this Acacia is just such a pretty, it's a little bit bolder of a lipstick, but not too bold. It's just very complimentary with the overall look. So this Cheetah collection hits all the boxes for me. Like, I can tell that I'm going to be wearing this collection non-stop. But again, I'm just somebody who loves a basic neutral eye. And if this is something that you gravitate towards as well, I think you're going to love the whole color story of this Cheetah collection. Yes, do I probably have these colors within my collection? Most likely yes, but I love the little packaging here. I love the lip colors. So this just kind of hit it out of the park for myself. And of course, I love the philanthropy piece with helping the Cheetah Conservation Fund. So this is my final look of the day using the Cheetah collection. As usual, I love to hear from you. Did you pick up this collection? Are you going to? What was your favorite lip out of the three? Let me know down below, and I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.